guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glory's Glam here. Want to see how I achieve this look? Then keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face with this hydrating serum. I'm gonna mattify my eyebrows with some setting powder. I'll leave all info in the description box below. So I'm just gonna outline my eyebrows, starting from the bottom, just one thin straight line. Follow your natural brow line, and then you're gonna go to the top as well, outline the top as well, and let them intersect at the end. See, very simple. I'm gonna do the same for the other eye as well. Yeah, some peak. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill in my brows very lightly, just by brushing my pencil, to fill in any little space. So I'm gonna go in with my wax. It really just helps to keep it in place throughout the day. It looks good already. So I'm gonna use Eyeshadow Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee to conceal my eyebrows. Okay, just go in gently, put in enough product just above your eyelid, and then just go in gradually. Okay, work your way up. So for the top of my brows, I'll be using Eyeshadow Pro Matte Foundation. Yes, it just helps blend in since I'm going to be adding the same foundation to my brows. Now looks good already. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to fill in my eyelids with the same concealer. Yeah, same concealer, Eyeshadow Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Okay, so I just blended it out. So I'm going to use green tea face powder to set my eyelids in preparation for my eyeshadow. Okay, it helps when I set my eyelids like that. I don't sweat in that area, so it just helps mattify everything. Good. So I'm going to use Canlin, my eyeshadow palette from Canlin. It is beautiful. The colors pop. So my transition shade is that red that I showed you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be playing with a pop of color. These are my pigments. Okay, I'll be using pink pigment. I don't know if this is pink. I guess. Okay, so yeah, pink. So just gonna fill it in. So I'm gonna be using 24K micolor liquid primer to moisturize my face. It's really good and soft on the skin. Ooh, my skin looks good already. And then I'm going to be using Eyeshadow Face Finity All Day Primer. I'm going to use it to prime my face. Okay. For my foundation, I'm just going to be using the same Eyeshadow Pro Matte Foundation. It's perfect for my skin tone. Yeah, there you have it. So I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shades 50 to conceal, my face. And then for my contour, I'll be using Eyeshadow Pro Conceal in the shades Dark Cocoa. I'll be applying it on my cheekbones and of course on my nose bridge, the sides of my nose bridge as well. And on my forehead too. So I'm just going to blend everything together. Starting with my concealer, of course. Okay, done with the concealing. So I'm going to blend in my contour, the dark cocoa. So I'm going to be using this lip palette, as my cream blush. Yes, it is perfect for me. I choose the red color. So I'm just gonna blend it into my skin. There you go. Beautiful. Do the same for the other side. So I'm going to be using Maybelline Face Studio translucent powder. I'm going to be using that to set my nose. I use translucent powders on my nose area because it's so easy to maintain that dark contour I use. Then I'm going to be using black opal finishing powder to set the other parts of my face. Okay, my under eye, forehead, chin. Then I'm gonna go into Ushas powder palette to, blend in all of the powders together and also use it to wipe off whatever excess powder I have on my face, of course. So I'm gonna powder contour using the darkest shade in that powder palette. Yes, I'm gonna use that darkest shade to contour my face and my nose, of course, sides of my nose. Then I'm gonna go in with my blush, my powder blush, of course, from Kiss Beauty Collagen Blush. I'm gonna be using a white pencil for my waterline. It really makes my eye to pop very well. So I'm gonna go in with my glitter glue. Yes, wherever it is I want to apply my glitters, I'm gonna apply my glue as well. So I'll go back into the Canon palette to pick my glitters. It's so easy to apply once the glue is there already. See? Okay, then I'm just gonna go into my palette to look for any glitters and just apply. Okay, I'm setting my face now with Kiss Beauty setting spray. Of course, for my lip, I'm gonna be using Davy's lip pencil to line my lip. I love using this pencil to line my lip, especially when I want to go, for a nude kind of lip combo. The pencil is really pigmented, and so it really does the job for me. So I'll be using my Frankbee Concealer palette for my lip. Yeah, I'm going for a nude kind of combo, so I'm going to be using my concealer palette for it. There you go. It's really bright. Yes. Okay, so for my highlight or bronzer, I'm going into that same micolor palette to apply my highlight. It's popping already. I'm not the type to apply so much highlight. I just apply very little and I blend it in very well so it can pop the way I want it to. Okay, it's popping already. I don't need more. So I'll just apply very little on my forehead and of course on my nose bridge as well. I like to apply a little on the corner of on the arc of my brows, just to give it that lift I need. And we are done with this look. Check me out. Oh my god, I'm too good. Came out so good. I love the lip. Oof, I'm good. Oh my god. Okay guys, so this is the look. Comment down below what look you'd like me to go for next. Yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.